In this code demonstration, we're going to take a look at two functions, pluck and shuffle, that are available with the Underscore.js code library. Now, to make use of underscore, you have to make sure that you reference it in your web page. I have referenced it here from a common and popular CDN, but you can also download a copy to your local project and reference it from there as well. So, pluck and shuffle. Basically, pluck is a function that allows you to have a collection of objects, specify a property that's common to all the objects, and then basically extract out an array of values for that property for each object. So let's take a quick look at that. I'm going to create a little list of cars here, and we'll just say start our array, and we'll say make be Ford, and then we'll say the color will be red, and then we'll add a couple of these objects to our array. So we'll have a BMW, we can do Lexus and Kia, and let's see, we'll have a blue Kia, a black Lexus, and a green BMW. Okay, so now let's make use of the pluck function. So we're going to say var result equal to underscore.pluck, and then we're going to pass in cars, and we'll pass in our property, which will be make. Now I'm going to output to the console dir result. Now let's jump over to our web browser and take a look at the result. I now have an array with 4 items, and I have Ford, BMW, Lexus, and Kia. So basically I was able to take each of these objects and to extract out the value for make. So if I wanted to, I could change this over here to color. Save that, reload, and now I have my color. So basically, think of any type of collection of objects or object maps, and you wanted to grab a particular property and get the value and turn that into an array. Pluck is a very, very easy way to do that. Now, the last little function I want to show you is shuffle. Shuffle is basically going to let us take a list and just shuffle the order of it. So we'll say result equal to underscore shuffle. Now what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to use the range function just to create a list of 20 numbers. Now the range function will produce this list of 0 to 19 in order, and then shuffle is going to change that order. So if we do that there and reload, we now have our array of 20 items, and you'll see that our numbers have been in fact shuffled. So shuffle is kind of a neat function if you want to just kind of put your array or collection elements into some type of random order. So here's pluck and shuffle. Pluck is obviously extremely useful for being able to convert those property values over a collection of objects into a single array. And then of course shuffle is really neat if you want to introduce a random order to your array elements. So as you can see, Underscore provides some pretty amazing functionality for working with collections and is definitely a must-have library to use for your application.